and welcome to tutorial number 2 about service requests. As you can see, we have the custodian, so-called, which is me. My name is John, and my fellow worker is Ali, who's the affected person in this tutorial. So when a service request is made in a work order, because I am the reported person, I will receive the email, not the affected person. And as you can see, my name's already in there. It has my U number and my email and my phone number. Please, if you haven't got your phone number in either, put it in, because it's very easy for us to contact you then if we have any issues. We can get in touch with you. Now we'll move down to the description, which is all the bits in yellow are all the parts that you need to fill in. Now in this case, we're going to put in a scenario where we have water coming out of a light. As you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory. The first thing we will do is send an electrician to isolate the water because it's dangerous, and then from then other tickets will be popped off the same service request number, which is up the top, for further tradespeople to fix that area. We're talking not just the light to be replaced, the ceiling, we're talking carpet damage, it could be timber damage, it could be all sorts of other issues. So there could be more than one trade, in some cases quite a few, to fix the issue. Therefore, then we go to classification over to the right hand side. Now in classification, you can see what we would put it under electrical for the first item because it's electrical, and then after that all the other tickets we will go into changing those into their trade. Do not use the security one unless it's for a security issue, which is Cardax related or security related. Otherwise, we will not see that service request. And make sure you use the priorities correctly. Now, these are only to say they will be there within that time frame, not that they will finish the job and get it done at that time. So just remember, it's only response time. They have response time on this area here. So if you want them to response in, say, 2 hours, which is pretty much what this one would be, we would put this down as a priority 5 because it is urgent and it is also very dangerous. Also, the internal priority, we would make it respond within 2 hour period. In this case, most times they will come there a lot quicker than that, but it goes that way. We will have in the detail column an area on the schedulers, what their phone numbers are, the emergency numbers, and the 000 number. Please, if it's life-threatening and it's not to do with maintenance, you need to ring 000. If it's maintenance issues, then you can ring us. We are open from 7:30 till 4 o'clock on our phone number, which is up the top here, 57943, and after that our phones are transferred to security and they will help you after hours. So it's a 24-hour service that we provide, including security. Do not press save while you're doing a service request if you're going to come back to it, because once you press save, it does come to our start center and we already start making the work order. So please only press save once the service request is fully completed and you are happy with all the yellow sections that are filled in, then you can press save. Thank you.